Hello there. I believe you are blessed wherever you are, all over the world, regardless of the color of the skin, tribe, or nation. I would love to say to the Christianity world, hang on there, Jesus is our answer. Right, I would love to say to you, blessed Easter holidays in advance. I know the month of Abib is the most important month. As God said to Moses, people, they must make sure that they obey and follow the month of Abib. So I'm saying to you, happy Easter in advance. Right, I want to invite you on the service that we are going to conduct on the Easter holidays, Easter Friday, Easter Saturday, and Easter Sunday. I know God will be down and the angels, they'll be down here. I know a lot will happen. Whatsoever may be your condition, whatsoever may be your situation. I'm in 40 days fasting, praying and fasting. It will be our last day on the Easter Sunday to break our fasting. Come, let God decide about your future. Let God decide about what will happen after that. It's either you are sick, it's either you are demonic possessed, it's either you are demonic oppressed. I'm saying to you, come one, come all. God and angels will be down here to heal and deliver. So I'm saying to you, wherever you are, come one, come all. Whatsoever may be your problem, join us on the Easter Sunday. I know you are going to enter here different. When you are going home, you shall be different. And I prophesy and I guarantee, as a prophet of God, your tomorrow shall never ever be the same again. I'm saying to you, be blessed wherever you are. Don't forget to like and to share. If you hear the sound of my voice, I know there is someone who's in need, somewhere. I'm saying, come one, come all. Remember, Jesus loves you. So do I. May God bless you. Easter Friday, Easter Saturday, and Easter Sunday. Join us on Sunday. God will be doing a lot of things. I'm saying to you, you hear the sound of my voice. Remember, Jesus loves you. So do I. May God bless you. Thank you.